Shambari Bapurao Jadhav and I am from ZP Primary Model School, Sangli. Today, my speech competition topic is Republic Day. Republic. What is Republic? Do you know what is the meaning of Republic? The word Republic is derived from the Latin word res publica, which is related to the people. Republic is something that is connected to the people. It is the system in which country belongs to people, the government belongs to people, and the democracy is the greatest mean to restoring this kind of system. And the Lincoln sir has explained this system in very simple terms, as the democracy is for the people, by the people and of the people. And I am very proud to share with you all that the India is the largest democracy in the world. But by the only saying, can a country become republic? Of course not. For that, it needs a constitution which is made by many elected representatives, determiners that determine the distribution and the use of supreme powers. The constitution was India was passed by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949, and that is why 26 November is celebrated as National Constitution Day in India. But that day, our constitution was just passed by, not implemented. And on a historic day, 26 January 1950, our constitution came into effect. India, a country blessed with so many great personalities, such as the Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Swami Vivekananda, the Queen of Jhansi and many more. We are blessed with them. Their qualities are under us. Swami Vivekananda have shown the excellent exalted path, but it is so strange to see that on thought path. Once when Dr. Kalam was asked that, what are the major strengths and the weakness of India? You know what he answered? He answered the youth. Yes, the 261 million youth people are the strength of India, and the weakness of India, the vision. Because the nation dies without a vision, and I think the vision is the only quality lacking in the younger generation today. Today, India has a very prestigious position on the world map, and it is the duty of the youth of India to maintain it to our country on a greater height. Today's celebration brings us just to deal with in all those soldiers who have lost their lives, who have sacrificed their lives to continue this. I salute all those freedom fighters who have lost their lives, who have sacrificed their lives to continue this. So let's remember our royal and golden heritage and be proud that we are the part of India. Thank you so much for giving me such a beautiful name.